Okay, so now we're going to be in week 2, assignment 2. What we are doing now is we're going to watch a video first. Watch this video first. It is a video that shows you what's inside your computer. And then you'll come here to week 2, assignment 2, and click on this. And what our purpose is we are going to do 2-column notes on a article about the same thing, what's in your computer. So 2-column notes, I'm going to show you briefly how to do them. But basically on the left-hand column, we're going to have 2 things. We're going to make it very simple this first time. We're going to put brains and we're going to put guts. So to do this, unfortunately, guys, you're going to have to work with me because I can't see what you can see. So I can't click on the submission button and see what you did. I'm trying to recreate it. So you need to just follow along, and I apologize if I lose you, but I'm trying to make sure everybody knows how to use Schoology correctly. So over here, you would say submit, because you should have a button to submit this assignment. Okay, once you submit your assignment, oops, wrong one, sorry. It should come up with something like this, some kind of box, and it should say upload, create, or resources. We are going to create. You need to make sure you click on create. Once you have created, then you'll get a box that looks just like this, an editing box. So you should have it. Mine are in different places, I know. Don't try to click where I clicked. Yours should be as easy as clicking the submit button and then clicking create. Then this type of box should pop up. So now we're going to make 2-column notes. So we're going to go over here across the top, the one that looks like a checkered board. You're going to click on it and you're going to go down to, and we're going to make it 2 by 10. So that means it's 2 columns wide and 10 columns deep. You're going to go in the first column right here and you're going to click in there and you're going to type in the word guts. Then you're going to go down to the 6th one, the 5th one, excuse me, and put in brains. Okay, so now if I take and I bring this out, oh, sorry, my fault. Okay, for right now, you're going to go over here and we're going to go back to our assignment, and it says click here for an article. So you're going to click here for the article, and it is going to tell you basically everything that you saw in that video, but it just explains it a little bit better, whatever. It says here, we've divided up the components into 2 main categories, the brains and the guts. Hence why I put your 2-column notes, brains and guts. Okay, so as you are reading through, it's really not very long. I need you to go through and put what goes under there. So under brain, it's telling you, without even reading it, because it's highlighted, that the motherboard goes in there. So if you go back here and I go to brains and I type in motherboard, and then I can go back to my thing, and whatever it is that you think you need to know, that you would remember that would have to do with guts and brains, that's what I need you to type in this table. If you need to make more, like you want more than 5, by the way, the minimum is going to be 5 for each one. So you should have 5 for guts and 5 for brains. If you would like to have more than that, that would be awesome. And to do that, if you see this row right here, it says insert row after. So I can click on this and it will just keep inserting rows wherever my cursor is. So if I click my cursor here, you see it's putting it down at the bottom. When you are done, you're going to go over here and you're going to click Submit. Mine says Create. I'm in a different place, but you should be able to get to it. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.